Sweet and creamy with fresh strawberry banana flavor. This healthy strawberry banana smoothie can be made with milk, dairy-free or high protein. A strawberry and banana smoothie is good for you because strawberries are rich in fiber, vitamins and antioxidants. They are among the top 20 most antioxidant-rich fruits. One serving of strawberries contains more vitamin C than an orange. Bananas are a good source of fiber, potassium and magnesium. Your body digests the sugar in banana more slowly than refined sugars, so you get lasting energy rather than a sugar rush and crush. Naturally sweet bananas are a healthy way to satisfy your craving for sugar. When you're craving a sweet treat, this strawberry banana smoothie is a delicious option. Making the strawberry banana smoothie is as simple as placing all of the ingredients in your blender and blending until smooth. The strawberries need to be frozen to create a thick cold smoothie. I have chosen the fresh ones as I didn't want it to make a cold smoothie. Add milk or almond milk and blend it together. So this is our strawberry banana milk smoothie. I hope you like it. Please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next video.